Ever wondered if that sleek, global finance platform you've been eyeing actually comes with a hidden yearly price tag? I'm talking about Airwallex. You know, the one that promises to simplify international payments and supercharge your business's global reach? It's a question that pops up for anyone seriously considering taking their finances international. You're thinking, okay, this looks great, but what's the catch? Is there some annual fee lurking in the fine print that's going to hit me later? Let's be real, navigating the world of fintech can feel like deciphering a secret code. You're bombarded with features, benefits, and promises, but the nitty-gritty details, like fees, often get buried. And when it comes to annual fees, well, those can really put a dent in your budget, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. So, you're here because you want a straight answer. Does Airwallex charge an annual fee? That's the question we're tackling today. We're going to cut through the marketing jargon and get down to the brass tacks. First, let's set the stage. Airwallex is a global financial platform designed to help businesses manage their international finances. They offer a range of services, from global accounts and multi-currency wallets to international transfers and payment acceptance. They're a go-to for businesses that need to move money across borders efficiently and cost-effectively. Now, when you're considering a platform like this, fees are crucial. We're not just talking about annual fees. Think about transaction fees, currency conversion rates, and any other hidden costs that might pop up. It's a complex landscape. Here's the good news: Airwallex does not typically charge an annual fee for their standard business accounts. This is a significant advantage over some traditional banks and other fintech providers that often impose hefty yearly charges. However, and this is important, while there isn't a standard annual fee, Airwallex operates on a transaction-based model. What does that mean? Instead of charging you a flat annual fee, they make their money through fees on specific transactions, such as currency conversions, international transfers, and payment processing. This means you're only paying for the services you actually use. Think of it like this: if you're a business that frequently sends and receives international payments, you'll incur transaction fees. But if you're a business that primarily uses Airwallex for holding multiple currencies and rarely makes transfers, your fees will be minimal. Now, there are a few nuances to consider. Airwallex offers different tiers of services, and while the standard business account doesn't have an annual fee, they do offer enterprise solutions that might involve custom pricing, which could include some form of recurring fee. These enterprise solutions are tailored for larger businesses with complex financial needs. Also, keep in mind that fees can change. It's always a good idea to check Airwallex's official website or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information on their fee structure. So, to summarize, the core question: no, Airwallex generally doesn't have an annual fee for standard business accounts. They operate on a transaction-based model, which means you pay for what you use. This can be a huge benefit for businesses looking to manage their international finances efficiently and cost-effectively. Remember, the best way to understand Airwallex's fee structure is to visit their website, explore their pricing page, and if needed, reach out to their support team. They'll be able to provide you with personalized information based on your specific business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.